I think there's still very low awareness of the crisis in our oceans compared with terrestrial environmental challenges. And that was demonstrated by the session that I was just mediating on blue bonds, where the previous session on green bonds was roughly twice as well attended as the blue bonds session. And I think for a lot of people, oceans are out of sight, out of mind, even though they cover 72% of the Earth's surface. People aren't giving them enough attention. And yet, the problems to do with our oceans are relatively easy to solve compared with something as intractable as climate change. For example, the problem of overfishing can really be tackled quite easily by limiting the amount of fish caught and by creating marine reserves. And there are sustainable fishing practices that can be brought in that would really replenish our oceans, which are currently being emptied at an alarming rate.
There's also something like a plastic soup.
Yes, the plastics problem is horrific as well. I mean, very broadly speaking with the oceans, we're putting too much of the wrong stuff in terms of pollution, plastics, acidification and so on, and we're taking too much out. So we have to address both of those problems really to solve the oceans crisis.
What are your expectations from COP21?
So I think there are very interesting climate change issues around oceans management that need to be more thoroughly explored at COP21 and more generally. So first of all, it shouldn't be forgotten that healthy oceans, importantly, absorb around half the CO2 we produce. If we render our oceans dead and unhealthy, that will fail, and then the whole cycle is really looking very serious indeed. But there are also ways in which healthy oceans can mitigate the problems of climate change. For example, mangroves absorb up to 50 times the amount of CO2 that terrestrial forests do. They also act as a barrier against increased storm damage and so on. So really starting to think about oceans and I suppose the planet in a holistic sense when we're looking at the challenges of climate change would be very much recommended.